On the thread, the boys are also tying the thread now. They have filled the capillary. They are tying the thread, tying the thermometer with the capillary tube with the help of a thread. Do it nicely. The thread should not be that long. It should not dip inside the paraffin oil. Be careful. See, the girls are also working in different groups. Now they have four groups of, the four groups of girls and four groups of boys. So there are totally 8 groups working in this BS Part 2 major chemistry lab, organic chemistry lab. Now the assembly setup is there. Now they are going to start the heating process to record the melting point of the given known organic compound. The girls. Yes, put on the burner. Great. Now you should be having a glass rod so that you can occasionally stir the paraffin oil without touching, disturbing the thermometer. It should not hit the thermometer, right? That's great. Hurry up, hurry up.